Good morning, guys. So for today is another day. We'll be traveling again. Me and my sister and one of the other friend, Tita Irene, will be going to San Vicente. So ayun guys, medyo mainit pa dito sa highway. Waiting kami ng tricycle. And then we're gonna ride the multi-cab and then shuttle. So ayun, update ko kayo once we were there in San Vicente. Hey guys, nasa shuttle na kami. Waiting for our van to go. Ayan, medyo sunog-sunugan ang mga pes. Ayan, basic si Sister Red. And doon si Tita Irene.
Hi mga kabuchis!
So alam na nila ang magic word. Kabuchi, waiting kami. Alas ng van. And then we'll meet some good old friends. Pagpunta doon. So, we'll update you when we reach in Sunday. Okay guys, stopover lang kami here in Rojas, Palawan. Same as nang nag-stopover kami going to El Nido. So as you can see, ayun o, over there's the sea. Ayan. Our sister, she's always doesn't want in the camera, and Tita Irene.
Hello! Ako pa rin na kanyang travel buddy!
So guys, I'll show you what we have ordered. So giniling, baboy, menudo, and chicken apretada. So rice, and then ayun, coke. Very small. Pang solo. So ayun, lapang guys. Lapang muna kami, and we'll be heading to San Vic. See you later mga beshi. Kabuchi, Team Fighting, and Marites. Foggy. Okay guys, we just arrived here in San Vicente Municipality. So ayan guys, ang dagat. I'll show you. Ayan no. We are here dun sa parang port or palengke side. So nintay ako ng aming pinsan. Kami nintay ni Cherry Red. So ayun guys, picture. Actually naulan dito, pero on the go lang kami sa layas-layas namin. Travel lang ng travel habang nandito sa Philippines. So we're going now to our accommodation, then we're gonna go straight kung saan kami gagala. So see you mga kabuchi. Yan na guys, ang aming sasakyan. Gora-gora dito sa San Vic, mga layas.
Hindi pa ako naka-check-in sa bahay na nakarating na kami. Thank you guys sa hospitality nyo.
Bok, dayuhin mo ako dito, loko ka. We're already here.
Saka na lang kami.
Hey guys, we're going now. First stop namin is ano daw, falls. So, dito naman allowed nila no face mask. Woo! First time ko magsakay dito.
Naka 4 wheels kami.
Naka 4 wheels kami guys. Ayan. Ang saya-saya. Oh my God, fresh air.
Wow. We need fresh air.
So, walang seatbelt to. Ano to? Ride at your own risk. Okay guys, so update namin kayo pag na kami. Oh, hi ba, kabuchi?
Wait. Neng, baba mo ito, Neng.
Okay guys, ayan, we're riding a top down. Turista feels. So guys, this is the great scenery. Ayan ang tagat sa backside. First time nang mag-top down. Doon sa isang country namin tawag niya Tura-Tura. Wow! Nice! First timers in San Vic. So we'll update you once we reach on the waterfall. Baka kasi mapunta ang agong ko. So see you guys! See you mga kapuchi! Dito kami sa Barangay Kende. Kem?
Kim. Si Kem. Kendeng. Kem.
Kemdeng. We're here in Barangay Kemdeng. So, we're heading to a waterfall. Ayan, ang saya-saya. Grabe, super fresh air. Ayan, Kabuchi. Dito, talamak ka mga dog.
Balikan na natin yung manok, yung patinola.
Ayun, guys. At sa likod, mapipinsa namin si Tita Tatchaka si Alfred. They're the one arranging our travels and tour here in Sandvik. Ayan, o. So,
Adventure, yan.
Maya, pakita namin yung parang Siargao. At the scenery, guys.
Taas mo yung ano mo, kitang-kita yan.
Ayan, o. Pababa. Aywa! So, yun na nga guys. Sobrang hangin. This place, we're approaching to para siyang Siargao.
Maraming ano.
Lots of coconut plantation. Ayan o, kita nyo naman guys.
Sana ni Kuya.
Oo. So medyo windy lang. I didn't bring ang aking mic. Kuya mic.
Ay, dyan. Ako munang pasakay sa Downtown. Sige, pasasakay sa SM. Diyan ko yun doon. Pasakay ang mga pasakay sa computer nila.
Wow! Look at the view guys. Puro coconut plantation. And then there's the beach on that side. So we're heading to the waterfalls guys and then we'll update you. Woo! Water! Sa Bisaya, nice kaayo.
Ayun mo ba?
Yeah, that side oh.
Diyan din sa sitio. Kending.
Kemding. Kemding. Ayan guys. Okay guys, ayan. Daan kami rough road. Umulan kasi kanina kaya medyo maputik-putik. Ayan guys. So hawak-hawak ng mabuti. Ayan, so smooth road ulit. Grabe mga ka-freshness. Sunskin. Glass skin or oily skin na?
Sasa girl.
Sasa girl. Oh, it's so nice and beautiful here at Sandvik. It's more fun in Palawan! Guys, oh, galit si Kuya Piggy Boy. Bye, Bob, Piggy Boy. So, yun guys, papunta pala sa exciting part. Dito pa rin kami sa road. On the way to the falls. Ayan guys, super beautiful the place. Super nice ang scenery dito sa Sandvik. Ayan o, ganda ng beach. Nice, nice, super nice. It's our first time here. Okay, rough road again.
Pwede tayong bumaba at magpapicture.
Ayan na. Nice scenery.
Kahit buwis buhay.
Hindi lang tayo sanay. Ayan guys, oh.
Basta po namin po sa places. Ito po kami galing sila.
Ikot-ikot. Ay! Naku, may ibak. Go, go, go! Kerdigang. Okay, ayun nakita nyo. Ayan oh guys, oh. Tumaan kami sa putikan, oh. Ayan sila, Bibi.
Boy pa po, boy pa. Dapat tayo naka-video.
I forgot kasi I thought it's gonna be Too much difficult. Ito pala pa mga exciting part, guys. Woo! Ano sinabi na San Jude dito? Ano sinabi na June bashing sa rough road ng Sanbec? Ay. Lavern. Okay guys, update ko kayo later. Guys, ayan ang exciting part. Okay, we're going up. Hold on. Kapit mabuti kayo na bakit tayo guys. Ayun o, nakita nyo naman. Kakayanin ba kami?
Ito lang.
Diretso lang. Wow! Okay, hold on. Baba ba kami gang? Baba tayo. Gang, baba kami. Wait lang. Ayan, nandito na kami sa exciting part. Hindi sila makakiyat. Dahil ako magbibideo. Okay, let's go. There you go. Ayan pa mga.
Mga kabuchi. Tingnan mo, tagilid na yung motor niya, oh.
Okay guys, let's get it on. Ayun na si Kuya sa unahan.
Sakay ba?
Para may iba naman.
Oo, eh. Puro na lang kami sakay-sakay. Ayan.
Ayan guys, say hi.
Mga kinain.
Ito ang tinatawag na adventures.
Bukas na ningning.
So we're gonna head up us.
Ba sa ningning? Pag ganito talaga.
Head up.
Ito ba sa ningning? Hindi ko kasi nakita doon yung parang may bukas na daan. Pero,
Ayan guys.
sana kanina kasi hindi ulan. Pwede ano siya, bato-bato.
We're gonna go up.
At yung motor, dinala tayo sa isa. Kasya eh.
So guys, ayan, we're going up.
Kuling bala, marami mga bato-bato.
Pagod ba kayo mga mamski?
Pero maganda kasi yung video doon kay Ningning. Kasi ano, yung overload. Yung turista lang.
So ayan guys, oh mga turista na pagod na. Hindi kami kinaya, bibigat, dami kinain kaninang lunch eh. Ayun,
Kasya pero di
kinaya.
So ito palang...
So this is the exciting part.
Meron pa rin sa yung part. Tingnan po, ano, ito na rin po yung daan. That is a smart way. Walang ka-engine-engine. Walang gasolina. Tipid.
So ayan no, sila Kuya oh, on the...
Olin pala. Ito na rin yung daan. Wow, look at that!
Look at that view guys, so sa baba.
Papuntang barko na yan dyan sa...
Ano guys, look at the view.
Pero gagana ang ano nila yan? Yung brake nila?
Very nice, awesome. Awesome. Kaya nakakita kami sa first exciting part. The exciting part para ulit. So, go, go, go! Here we go!
Akala ko doon.
Ayan na guys. So, I'll show you around later on.
Ayan, ang maputik.
Ayan no.
Baba na lang.
Hindi, bababa lang.
Kami.
Oh, exciting part. Oh, pak!
Malambot.
Aywa! So, ayan guys. So, as you can see, yung mga bundok sa gilid, medyo nai-erode na siya because of the climate change and you know, mga gawa naman natin ng mga humans. So, there oh. Guys, nakikita nyo ba? Pa-smooth road na. Yan ang exciting part. Ulit. Woo! Woo! Sakit pa ito.
Sige, nagkagat ang puwet.
Ayan na guys. Oh, look at how high is this place.
Ay, nagbabike din dito?
Yan oh.
Oh, grabe.
Super high.
Dito pa daw tingnan mo. May nagbabike din pala dito.
So ayan guys, may mga nagbabicycling daw dito sa area na to. But it's too far actually from the main poblacion. Look. So ayan guys. Taas na po na sikat ng araw. Vlog-vlogan na naman tayo niyan mga Mars. Mga kabuchi. Sa ngalan ng vlog, sige go go go, painit. Look at the view in the scenery. Oh.
Nagpuputo ng tao.
Ano pa siya?
Greenish pa talaga.
Walang nag-ano.
Wala pa nag-illegal log.
Wala, iniwan na nila yan kasi maliit ang
When they grow up.
walang
Shweya-shweya lang kami. Slowly, slowly. Okay. Oh, yan. Nakita nyo yung kalsada, guys. Snake. Wala. Guys, we're approaching Bigaho Falls. Ayan guys, oh, yung aming mga lovers in Sandvik. Representing.
Oh my God!
So guys, approaching Bigaho Falls. Oh my God!
Okay, baba tayo.
Okay. Wait be. Ante, ikaw na lang dyan. Kaya ka na.
Dito ako sa harap para hindi ka
Ayan, para mag-shoot kita. Come nanti. Malayo pag ang hindi nun.
Yogi ka siya. Malayo pa? Ay, ano na yun? Abot na? Doon ay part mo lang doon.
O sige ka, maglakad na kami.
Lakad na tayo.
Akin na, auntie. Ako na.
Ito, tinali-tali ko kasi ano, baka magkahiwa-hiwa na.
Wala dyan.
Ikaw, Lucan.
Hindi ba yan kukunin?
Hindi.
Wala namang carnapper.
Wala.
Carnapper.
Mahirapan siya magdala dyan. Magatulak siya ng isa. Drive niya, tulak. Ako nga lang.
Okay guys, approaching to the waterfall. Ayan, ang karingat dyang panahon. So mag-waterfall kami, mag-swimming.
Ang ako munang pagsakay sa top down.
Kaya saya doon sa top down guys, first timer. Masaya. So here we are, registration area. This is the Bigaho waterfall. This one, oh. Ang Pastor.
Kami maka...
So guys, you hear those sounds? It's the waterfall. There. So ayun, ang karingat radya. So halo-halo na to guys. Kuyonon, Tagalog, English. So we're heading to the waterfalls. Ayan o.
Pag-drive lang ito na rin. Wow.
Wow. Kasi since sa Puerto, sarado pa ang balsahan. You cannot go to that waterfall, man-made waterfall now. We're heading sa natural waterfall pool. Saya. Kasi first timer kami dito. So, well, enjoy the... Yeah, oh, may comfort room, changing room.
Sino may-ari nito?
So, ayun guys. Ganda oh, tapos mga flowers. By the way guys, the entrance to Bigahon Falls is 20 pesos per katao. But, that is only for Sandvik residents. So, ayun guys, maligo na kami. Oh, that's so exciting. Look at the waterfall. Ayun, so very beautiful. Wow, it's so natural. Wow, it's so nice. Oh, look. Guys, it's natural waterfall. Tapos, parang kami pa lang ang mga tao dito. So, guys, make sure you walk nice and watch your steps. Mabigat ko. So, let's get it on. Ayan o, kaganda guys. Nice ka! So, this is very wonderful place. Chill. So, yun, watch out for your steps kasi medyo may katarikan sa waterfall digi. So, yun. Nice. So, nice place. Bigahon waterfall. So yun mga kabuchi, I hope nagtutuwa kayo sa mga trips ko dito sa Palawan, my hometown. Actually, I'm from this province pero first timer ako dito magpunta. Thanks to my cousin Cherry May, Teacher Cherry, kasi siya ang nag-assist sa amin dito. Because we're not familiar with the place. And I only have few days left to stay in Palawan. And I'll be heading back to Manila. So, ayan guys, so look. Very nice place. Medyo mahaba-habang lakarin to. So, ayun ang view. Mga waterfall over there. So, we're really gonna be chilling out here. Ayan guys, oh. Super ganda. So guys, as you can see, yan yung waterfall, oh. Tuloy-tuloy yan all the way up there. So, watch your steps lang kasi medyo matarik ang daan. Ayan, oh. Tuloy-tuloy yung waterfalls going up there. So, super. Ayun. So, we're gonna go stay there. Ayan. Make sure to hold nicely on the rope. Kasi pataas siya. Okay. Guys, we're approaching to the waterfall. Tandahan lang. So, ayun. Hindi siya ganun ka-clear ang water because it had rain. Ayan, oh. Beautiful. So, ayan, guys. Pawis-pawis. So, we're just gonna prepare our suits for swimming. And then, we're gonna go swim here. Super beautiful. So guys, let's go swimming. So ayun guys, so nag-swimming na kami dito sa Bigaho Falls. So ayan, oh. Nice view. Over there's the falls. So ayan guys, busy sila mag-marites at mag-swimming galore. So, baba tayo ng konti para makita nyo ang place. Ayan, oh. So, mga kabuchi, we're having fun here at Bigaho Falls. Kami lang currently ang nandito para mag-swimming. I hope you enjoy watching this vlog. Please continue to follow my channel, April Cars. Please like, subscribe. Put your comments below. How did you find Palawan, my tours and my trips here with my family and my friends. And please do not forget to click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga trips at sa aking mga vlogs, mga kabusi. Ayan, oh. Hi! So, yun guys. So, continue swimming muna kami and I will keep you posted. We love Sandik! More fun in Palawan! Malawakan! Ayan guys, oh. So guys, we just finished swimming in here and having fun dito sa Bigahos Waterfalls. So now we're heading back. We're just gonna drop by a little bit sa isang beach area. Then picture. And then we'll be heading back to Poblacion. And tomorrow we'll be having another fun day of adventure. So ayun guys, we'll keep you posted later on once we reach to the beach area. And to Poblacion. So, super sulit ang aming day today from Puerto to Sanbec. To Bigahos Falls, to the beach, and going back to Poblacion. So, see you guys! Guys, we just finished in the waterfall. We're heading to the beach. Time check, 5 p.m. So, let's go! Ito na naman ang exciting part.
Kaya po siguro.
Digi.
Baba kami?
Okay.
Baba?
Digi sa middle, sa middle.
Yung pala, sa gitna ang matigas.
Ayan guys, ang exciting part.
Punta po kami sa dagat.
We're going to the beach now from the waterfalls.
Ito po ang aming
Kuya Bebe si Jordel.
Ayan, si Big Big.
Hi mga kabuchi!
Mga kabus-kabus. Ay, Dan. Dito na po kami.
Digi kameran.
Di ba tayo papagalitan dito?
Hindi naman.
Ay, kaibigan nila siguro ito.
Ayan guys, so we're getting to the beach. Ayan guys, we're going to the beach side. Wow, so nice view. Oy, may kayak pero we're not gonna do it here.
Huwag na, baka
Diri
lang.
Okay,
Oh,
nice
yes.
one, nice place guys.
Ito na po kami.
So I'm gonna go down. Ouch.
Ito po ang sinakyan namin.
So ayan guys, so balapulburon na sand. Very nice. Ayan guys, so beautiful ang beach. Nice, nice. So guys, oh look at how the beach is. So beautiful.
Anong lugar po ito? Port Barton, Paraga.
Ayan guys, this is part of the Port Barton. So look how the sand is, so beautiful. I'm gonna put my name here. Here is my name, Kaye. But this is my channel guys, for you to follow in YouTube. April. So that's my name in my YouTube channel guys, so you should follow, okay? So I'll just be updating you. Alright, so we're gonna go in deep in this beach. For now, it's a pretty beach for you to go and swimming. After lang siya nung Bigahon Falls. It's so nearby. Siguro mga 2 to 5 minutes travel time lang. Ayan o, super beautiful. Super nice! Grabe guys. Thank you po sa owner kasi it's for free for us to go swimming. So guys, swimming muna kami ulit because we're gonna head to Poblacion later on. Super nice. So beautiful. Please greet my mga kabuchi, guys. Hi mga kabuchi. Ano ba to? Mga mahiyain. Ayan.
Hello. Dito po kami sa Barangay Kabuhong, boundary ng Kendeng.
So ayun guys, let's have some fun and dip into the water right now. Enjoy watching mga kabuchi. Ayun guys, time check. It's gonna be 5:30. So we're still here in the private beach here in Sandvik. As you can see, ayan o. Ang ganda ng araw. It's reflecting on the sea. Now, we're going home in Poblacion of San Vicente. So ayun guys, dito ko natin natapos ang vlog for today's video. So please do like, subscribe my channel, April Cars. Don't forget to click the bell button and do share, like, and put your comments below regarding on my trip here in my hometown in Palawan. So see you there mga kabuchi on my next vlog. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching!